For years, these two things were the absolute first items I packed. Every single time I packed my bulky, big, noise-canceling headphones, I thought I was traveling smarter and blocking out the world. And then this quart-sized stuffed bag with mini bottles because, well, that's just what you do, right? But here's what I didn't realize. These headphones that made me feel so cocooned and protected actually make me more vulnerable. Now, when I'm on a plane, I love the noise-canceling headphones because I don't want to hear anything when I'm on a plane. And if somebody talks to me, I can hear some, but I really enjoy not hearing anything. However, outside of the plane, they actually make me more vulnerable. I couldn't hear the gate changes. I've almost missed flights to my hometown because I didn't hear the boarding call. And walking through a new city at night with zero awareness of your surroundings, that's not smart. That's risky. And this thing, it leaked in my carry-on at least 3 times. I've had shampoo explosions. I've had suntan screen explosions. They've ringed my hair dryer. They've ringed clothing. And I've stood in TSA lines juggling this slippery mess while everyone behind me is judging how long it's taking. It was so stressful, wasteful, and honestly, just unnecessary weight. So this year, I stopped packing them. Not because I stopped caring about comfort or convenience, but because I found a safer, lighter, and frankly smarter way to travel. Today I'm going to show you the upgrades I've made, specifically how I switched to open ear audio for safety, solid toiletries for freedom. If you want to breeze through TSA and stay safer on your solo trips or on any trip, keep watching. I found these. They're noise canceling earbuds. Let me just read all this. Adaptive ANC, 11 millimeter drivers, AI translation, and then a lot of other stuff. I don't know what it means. But they're real-time adaptive ANC and AI translation in 100 language earbuds. And they're a lot more affordable than some of the higher end ones that we all are very familiar with, the name brands. So I would recommend these. I also have some over-the-ear headphones that are also translating, and I highly recommend those. The over-the-ears are great for when you're walking, maybe in a park or somewhere where you're alone. You can still hear your surroundings, but you can also hear the audio. So it's perfect for exercise or whatever you may be using them for. Okay, that was my little caveat. Let's talk about safety first. I used to love blocking out all the noise on a plane, but once I landed and started walking through a busy airport or new city, those big headphones actually made me feel vulnerable. I couldn't hear announcements, and I definitely couldn't hear if someone was walking up behind me. Enter the open ear revolution. These are the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Unlike normal earbuds that jam into your ear canal, these slip onto the side of your ear like a cuff. I have some that aren't Bose, and I'll link them here as well, but the magic here is that I can listen to my music or my podcast, but my ear canal is completely open so I can hear the traffic, I can hear the gate agent, I can have a conversation with the hotel receptionist without ever taking them off. For women travelers, situational awareness is our #1 safety tool, and these let you keep that awareness while still being entertained. Now, the Bose are definitely a splurge, so if you want some safety features without the price tag, I'll link the other ones that I found on Amazon. They have that same clip-on style and are a fraction of the cost. And if you're more of a hiker or walker, you might prefer shocks. These wrap around the back of your head and they're super secure. I barely feel them. So that is how I keep my ears open and safe. But once I get to the hotel, I want to make sure my bag is just as stress-free. That brings me to the second major change I made this year, and that's deleting liquids from my packing list, at least as much as possible. We all hate the TSA 311 bag rule. It's restrictive, things leak, it's a pain to unpack. And the solution is solid toiletries. First up, toothpaste bits. These look like mints, but they're actually toothpaste. You just pop one in, bite down, and brush with a wet toothbrush. They foam up just like regular paste, but there's zero liquid, zero plastic tubes, and zero mess. Plus, they take up a fraction of the space. Next is my favorite space saver, laundry detergent sheets. I use the Arm & Hammer 5-in-1. They look like a dryer sheet, right? They dissolve instantly in water, which means I can pack 5 or 6 of these or more in an envelope or a plastic quart-sized baggie, and I can wash all my clothes either in a hotel sink or a laundromat. I can pack half the amount of clothes because I know I can wash them easily. If I'm washing in the sink, I cut them in half or sometimes in fourths, depending on how much I have to wash, and just dissolve them in the sink. Easy peasy. And finally, even my moisturizer has gone solid. This solid face cream glides on like butter because it's solid. It's a solid stick. And TSA doesn't care about it. No more exploding lotion inside your expensive carry-on or your expensive personal item bag. And no more mess. Travel gear is moving away from cheap gadgets and towards things that actually solve problems. And these items have me feeling lighter and safer on the road. I've linked all these smart upgrades in the description below, so you can check them out on Amazon. Let me know in the comments, are you team noise canceling? Or are you ready to try open ear or even earbuds that are noise canceling? Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, travel luxe, pack light, and make no apologies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.